Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about ordered broadcast receiver, how to use it and why we need it to use it. So first of all, create in the receiver app, create 3 broadcasts. I have already created, so it won't waste your time. First one here, the second one, and the third one. How to create it? Just do here. Let me delete this one. This like Kotlin, this, and extend it with broadcast receiver. Broadcast receiver. Okay. Now implement one method here on receive and change this to context and this one to intent. Delete this one. Now what you should do here, also send data from one app to another app in a broadcast, order broadcast. First of all, create here one variable, 4 variables. Well, result code equal result code, and second one result, and here well result data equal result data, and next well result extra equal get result extras and pass it true, so it would receive data from that. And next one, well string extra equal result extras dot get string, pass here one string extra. Fine. Now here increment this result code plus, change it to where string extra plus equal, this is order broadcast 1, so OBR1, and also change it to where. Now here show a toast, well toast data, well toast equal OBR1. This is the first one, and secondly show result code, result code plus result code. Now result data equal result data plus, and here string extra plus string extra. This is done. Now show it in the toast dot make text context dot this toast and length toast dot make dot length long dot show. Now pass here result data equal OBR1, and also change it to where. Now here result extras dot put string, here pass one string first, pass one string here this one, and after this pass this string extra. Now here call the set result code, and here it needs first code, so result code result data, and here result extra. Fine, this is done. Now copy these all and paste is in this one, and changes to 2, also here, now in 3, this 3 and 3, and also copy these all to this broadcast receiver send. In this I have created one broadcast receiver in the sender app. Also copy it to this one and pass here sender receiver. Done. Okay, now the receivers work are finished. Now what you should do, register these all in the manifest, and here in the first in the sender app register this receiver dot sender receiver. Okay, now go to another app and also register these one. I have already registered the 1 and the 2, and I have also given it exported to true. 1 and 3 I have registered here, and the second one I would register in the main activity dynamically, and these two should be statically. I have put this one action here through this I would call it. Now come to this receiver activity, and here first create one intent filter, well filter, create filter, intent filter, and pass here that string which we have passed in this one, example action, com.example action, and now register this receiver. Register receiver, past first receiver, order broadcast receiver, and then intent filter, and also unregister it in on destroy, unregister order broadcast receiver. This is done. Now what do you have to do here to make the order of these all? First you should give it priority. So this one filter dot priority equal, let me give it 3, so it would show in the how high value is, that would show first. So let me give it second. Okay, and here in this manifest with this intent filter priority, let me give it 3, sorry, and this one 2 1. How the value is high, that would show first, and if the value is low, it would show at the last. So this is done. Now go to sender app, and in this manifest activity, in the main activity here, now first create one intent equal intent, and pass that value which we passed there, here this one, com.example action, and here to this intent pass a package of that app to which you want to pass the code dot package, set package, and here pass that value. How to get it? Go to this build.grid file, and here copy this one and paste it here. Okay, now register the receiver. Now to put extra with this, create a bundle here, well extras equal bundle, and with this extras dot put string, here what we would pass first string and the second one. In first one we would pass the string extra which we have put it here, the value main activity dot here this string extra through which we would get data. Pass this one, and here pass start. Okay, now what you should do is, here send the broadcast, send order broadcast. So you can do it even with the with this one intent, and receive permissions. You can pass permission null. You can do also send it with this one, but to send fully extras with it, so you should put extras. Now here also send it to the sender receiver, this one sender receiver, and here scheduler handler result receiver. Now here also pass null, and here passed one int value, let me pass 0, and here initial data, so let pass start, and with this bundle pass the extras, pass this extras. This is done. Now let me run these both apps. Now here look at this, when I send click on this send broadcast, first the third broadcast is receiving data, then second one, look, this is showing, and then the first one, and at the last sender receiver. And now here if I give priorities to this, let me change the priorities. For the first one was showing first because I've given here first, and the third one was showing first, and the second one was then showing because I have given here priority. So how the value is high, that would show first. And do one thing here in this second broadcast receiver, which is here, do one thing here, abort this action. So when I click on this abort broadcast, and let me run this. Now when I click on this one, send broadcast, look, the third one is showing, then second one, and I aborted it here, so the first one would not show. Look, the first one hasn't shown, and the sender receiver is directly showing. And because I in the second order broadcast receiver, I have given aborted the broadcast, so it is not showing the first one, which was the last one. Okay, and now you can change the priorities here through this here if you wanna change it. So it was all about order broadcast receiver, and if you got the idea how to do it, so please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel, and also click the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.